Nestled at Point Piper's zenith, where the distant allure of Manly's foreshore converges with Sydney's iconic Harbour Bridge, this residence exudes unmatched grandeur. One of an elite collection of 8, it defies luxury living against the backdrop of Sydney's captivating harbourscape. Under the visionary guidance of the architect Nick Tobias, this home embodies a bespoke blend of design mastery and natural elements. Entering, you're enveloped by an immersive panorama, a stunning invitation that seamlessly merges indoor and outdoor realms. The meticulously finished interiors, a testament to Tobias's expertise, marry subtle curved lines and natural textures. Stepping onto the wraparound terrace, the renowned harbour sprawls before you, a picturesque scene of sun-dappled waters, inviting indulgence in the breathtaking views. Boasting 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 elegant bathrooms, and 2 secure car parks, this residence exudes convenience. The primary bedroom, an opulent retreat, features a lavish full ensuite and a view of the iconic Harbour Bridge. Beyond this extraordinary home lies an extension of luxury, a meticulously groomed landscape, a sublime harbourside pool, and a private wharf. More than a residence, it's a lifestyle curated for those seeking rare prestige and unparalleled luxury. Immerse yourself in an environment where design, opulence, and Sydney's enchanting harbourscape converge to redefine waterfront living's very essence.